Alright, so today I'm going to be filming an eyeshadow tutorial. Basically on just how I like to do my colorful eyeshadow. So I'm going to start off by applying a primer. Now I'm sure that you could just use like any primer just for your face. However, they do make eyeshadow primers, so that's what I'm using today. It's one by Urban Decay, and it definitely helps keeping the color on there, but also making it very bright and making it pop. So that's what I'm going to do first. And I'm just going to like rub it in with my finger all over just to make sure that it's applied. Get some more on here. And right now all I have on is foundation and my eyebrows. That's all I have on right now. Just keeping it simple so that you guys can see my eyeshadow better. Alright, so starting off, I have this palette by BH Cosmetics. You can see it's very used. This has 120 colors in it. I like this because it's a really good deal. I got it for like $10 or something stupid, and that's what I'm using today. So the thing is when you're doing eyeshadow, you want to start off by using like a base. So I'm going to start off by using a base, like a very like light pink, because today I'm going to be doing like a pink, blue, purple kind of color. So I'm going to start off with like a light pink because that's going to be the lightest of all those colors. Maybe I'll do some purple, like a light purple. So you can see here, I'm going to be using these two as kind of like my bases. So we'll start off. Ooh, I already got some on my nose. Oh gosh. Okay. I'm just doing it all the way up to my brow line. And I'll probably apply even like a lighter color here when I'm done, but for now I'm just going to use that as a base. Okay. Alright, so that's pretty good. Some color on there already. So now I'm going to go in with pink, and then I'll go in on the crease with a darker color, but on my lid I'm going to do pink. So I'm going to take this color right here and just go on my lid. Nice, vibrant. Okay, and you see this brush right here is really good for like blending eyeshadow, so I highly recommend a brush like that when you're doing eyeshadow. Also, this one is good if you're just trying to like pack on the color. This is the other, and it's two-ended. Right, so I'm just applying it to my other eye. Okay, so you can see it's like fairly well blended in, and I have a pink on my lid. And if I wanted to, actually what I'm probably going to do is just grab this like darker color right here and just get this on the very bottom. There we go. Even more color, just trying to make this stand out a little bit. Okay, that's pretty good. And I'm just gonna wipe my brush off on this like little towel thing. Okay. Alright, so now I'm going to go in with a purple, and I'm going to probably go with this one, maybe go darker if I need to, but I'm going to start off really light to see how this works. So I'm going to start in that inner corner. Alright, so that's blending pretty well. Do this side. Okay, and I'm going to go a little bit darker purple. Darker. Okay, It looks pretty good. That looks pretty good. So now I'm gonna go see, like, if you look at this, ooh, you take the top off, there's more colors. Okay, so now wipe my brush off again, get all the purple off. I'm just gonna go in for the blue now. So I'm looking at this and I'm thinking of starting off with this color, and if I need to I'll go darker. You just don't want to go like dark immediately because it's annoying to have to take off. So just start off like light and then go dark if you think you want darker. So now I'm gonna just kind of like blend this into the purple a little bit. Alright, it's kind of like not showing up super well. It's okay. It's okay. Alright, so just gonna blend it in. Like, you don't really want there to be like a defined line behind between all of the colors. So you just want to make sure you blend it in really well. Alright, so now I'm gonna go for a darker blue just to make sure that it's visible. Yep, there we go. I know that's blue. Okay, it's gonna be very light. Alright, so that looks pretty cool. Go on the other side. Very nice, very nice. Very nice. And now what's happening is the purple is kind of disappearing now that I have the blue on there. So I'm going to probably go back to the purple just to make sure that it shows up really well. So I'm going to go back to purple. Just take it, yeah, there we go. I'm going to blend it in a little bit to the blue. Marry the two colors together. Alright. Okay, so that looks pretty good. I'm not going to complain. Now, if I wanted to, I could put even a dark, like a nice dark color in the corner, so that's probably what I'm going to do. So wipe my brush off again and grab a nice dark blue and go from there. Now, my Achilles heel when it comes to makeup is probably going to be the eyeliner. I suck at eyeliner, so we'll see how that goes for me. Okay, now it's like kind of falling off. It's annoying. Right. So good. So we got a darker color in this corner just to give some nice definition here. It's very nice. Okay. You know what? I kind of like this. Yeah, it's just turning out pretty good. Thing is like, if you wanted to, you could even go for like a bolder look by, just wipe this off a little bit. Yeah, it's gonna stick on there. But anyways, you could go for a bolder look if you wanted to by doing like eyeshadow under your eyes. I'm not actually, I will do that. I'll probably just, ooh, not bad. Okay, that's actually, I actually really like that because it has a nice light blue. It really pops. Okay, so this looks kind of weird without eyeliner, so I'm going to put some eyeliner on. Also, let me get a nice light color so I can do the highlight really quickly. Okay, so I'll probably just end up using this really super light pink. And the thing is if you want to even go lighter, like, sometimes what I'll do is if I want to highlight but I have like a color on, I'll mix, whatever color I want, I'll mix it with like a white down here. They're super light, and so it's like a good highlight that kind of brings out the rest of your eyeshadow because you mix it with the color. So that's what I'll do sometimes. Especially blue, like it looks really good if you do blue. I don't know why. So I'm just going to apply this lighter color on my brow bone to highlight. And then my inner eye. Alright, so now I have a nice colorful look here. So this is when you take your eyeliner. Okay, where is it? Oh. Okay, this one right here. This is my eyeliner. So I'm really bad at doing winged eyeliner, so hopefully this goes like fairly well. Alright, so like if I'm doing a winged liner, what I'll usually do is I'll draw like a very like slight line at the end, and then I'll draw on the other side just to make sure that I'm getting them like fairly even. Okay, that's fairly even, so I'm gonna go ahead and open the top. Okay. Alright, it's coming along here. Fill it in. Really, the easiest way to do this is just to grab some tape, but I don't feel like going and getting some, so. Alright, so that's not too bad. That's not a bad wing liner. I can do better, but, you know, today, it's going to look a little off today. Yeah, these are not going to be even. It's not even funny. Alright,